What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. This video, like I said in the last two videos, will be a figure unboxing video. And I decided the next video will be another figure unboxing video. Then after that, it'll be a whole different type of video for you guys. But anyway, this video will be a figure unboxing of the two Yu-Gi-Oh! Totaku figures. So here we have Blue Eyes White Dragon, and here we have Summon Skull. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys a few things I got over the past few weeks. I got these two recently. Here's the Ultimate Guide to the Avengers, Hollywood Spotlight. Can't wait to read that magazine. And here's Ultimate Guide to Avengers by Entertainment Magazine. So can't wait to read those two. And here is Yu-Gi-Oh! The movie, Pyramid of Light. So it's very rare I find Yu-Gi-Oh! DVDs. So we gotta show them off real quick before I show you guys the figures. Here's the booklet that came with. Now onto the figures. So as always, let's get into it, guys. So there they are, the packaging right there. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with Blue Eyes White Dragon first. So, quick look at the box real quick. So that's pretty cool right there. It's got a little description. If you guys want to pause the video and read that, you're more than welcome to. Now let's get this one open. Very nice that this part right here is kind of separate from packaging, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so there he is right there. I really do like the detail that they put on this figure. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to zoom in the eyes a little bit, but I don't think I'll be able to. But anyway, so the detail is pretty cool. You guys can see the eye right there. So I really do love the detail that they put into these figures. Stan's got the little Egyptian labels, which is pretty cool. So let's Blue Eyes White Dragon right there. Now let's get to Summon Skull. Okay, so here's someone's skull right here. Zoom in on him. The figure of someone's skull looks pretty badass. They got everything right on here. Detail, everything. So that's pretty cool. And someone's skull was one of my favorite duel monsters. That's pretty cool. The wings look spectacular. There's both of them together. It's cool. I'll zoom in on them really quick. So there we go. There's both of them right there. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And real quick, I really appreciate it if you guys could go over to my Instagram and follow me over there. My Instagram is TimeTour36, so hopefully you guys will follow me on there. I really appreciate it. I post stuff about Marvel, DC, Yu-Gi-Oh, you name it. Stuff like that. I post stuff like that daily on my Instagram. So I really appreciate it if you guys could go over there and follow me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.